Hello students, after completion of tick and dot h with exercise number 113 from the chapter number 14, आज हम करेंगे ओमिशन ऑफ कॉन्सोनेंट्स। ओमिशन ऑफ कॉन्सोनेंट्स क्या होता है कि किसी भी कॉन्सोनेंट की लाइट साउंड आ रही है तो उसको हम वहाँ पर उसका कॉन्सोनेंट नहीं बनाते हैं, ठीक है, उसे ओमिट कर देते हैं। एज इन where a medial T is only lightly sounded after circle S, it may sometimes be omitted. As in, इसमें बताया गया है कि T की अगर लाइट साउंड आ रही है सर्कल S के बाद तो हम T को नहीं बनाते हैं, ठीक है। एज इन पोस्टपोन, अब पोस्टपोन में T की तो साउंड ही नहीं आ रही। P S circle another P with N hook, light dash on the second place of first P after it and heavy dash on the second place of second P after it. नेक्स्ट इज पोस्टेज। अब इसमें टी की साउंड आ रही है, बहुत हल्की आ रही है और नहीं बनाएंगे एज पर द कन्वीनियंस ऑफ आउटलाइन। P on the line S circle with J, heavy dash on the second place of P after it and light dot on the second place of J before it. Next is postal. P on the line S circle with upward L, heavy dash on the second place of P after it. Next is post office. P on the line S circle with F with another S circle is used here, heavy dash on the second place of P after it, light dash on the first place of F before it, light dot on the third place of F after it. Next is mostly. M above the line with S circle with upward L is used here, whole outline above the line, light dot on the third place of upward L after it. Honestly, N stroke S circle with downward L is used here, light dash on the first place of N before it, light dot on the second place of N after it, light dot on the third place of downward L after it. Substitute S circle B with S and T halved here for the last T and 3 T's हैं, इसमें first T omit हुआ है and second T is halved here for the third T. Clear है? And light dash on the second place of B before it and light dot on the third place of T before it and your joined diphthong is used here. Institute, थोड़ा सा ऊपर से स्टार्ट करेंगे ताकि ये ऑन द लाइन फिनिश हो पाए. एन स्ट्रोक एस सर्कल टी हाफ्ड हियर for the sake of T with U diphthong joined here, light dot on the third place of N before it, light dot on the third place of T before it. Institution, सेम प्लेसिंग पे स्टार्ट करेंगे. N stroke S circle T full outline with shun hook, light dot on the third place of N before it, light dot on the third place of T before it, within shun hook लगेगा and U diphthong is placed here on the third place of T after it. Next is adjustment. J S circle M halved for the sake of T with N hook above the line whole outline, light dot on the first place of J before it, light dash on the second place of J after it. Mistake. M stroke on the line with S circle with K, T omit हुआ है, light dot on the third place of M after it, heavy dot on the second place of K before it. Mistaken, same outline with joining of N hook finally. Clear है? सिर्फ क्या N hook join होएगा end में, सेम आउटलाइन है मिस्टेक जैसी. इन्वेस्टिगेट, एंड स्ट्रोक थोड़ा सा अबव द लाइन से स्टार्ट करते हुए वी थ्रू द लाइन जाएगा, एस सर्कल एंड गे इज हाफ ईयर फॉर द सेक ऑफ टी, light dot on the third place of N before it, light dot on the second place of V after it, light dot on the third place of G before it, heavy dot on the second place of G after it. Next is other lightly sounded consonants may sometimes be omitted as in, अभी जो ऊपर हमने पढ़े वो सारे किससे रिलेटेड थे, मीडियल टी से, ठीक है. और भी ऐसे कुछ साउंड्स आते हैं जो कि लाइटली साउंडेड हैं तो हम उसको ओमिट करते हैं एज इन एंक्शियस. अब एंक्शियस में एनजी स्ट्रोक के साथ के बनता है जैसे बैंक में बनता है, लेकिन के हम यहाँ पर ओमिट करेंगे. इस stroke with S circle is used here above the line. Light dot on the first place of NG before it. Light dash on the second place of ish after it. Next is anxiously. NG stroke, ish downward above the line, S circle, upward L is used here. Light dot on the first place of NG before it. Light dash on the second place of ish after it, and light dot on the third place of upward L after it. Next is distinct. D through the line with ST loop with NG stroke with T through the line से कट होगा. Light dot on the third place of NG stroke before it. Light dot on the third place of D after it. Distinction. D through the line, ST loop and NG with shan hook. Light dot on the third place of D after it. Light dot on the third place of NG stroke before it in the placing of shan hook. ठीक है. Prompt. P with R hook with M halved here for the sake of T, and P another P sound omitted here. ठीक है. जो दूसरी P की sound आ रही है उसको omit करेंगे. P with R hook with M halved here for T above the line. Light dash on the first place of P after it. Stamped. ST loop with halved M for the sake of D, and P is omitted here above the line whole outline. Light dot on the first place of M before it. Next is exercise number 114 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, we wish to acquire several pieces of land in Hamilton near the property we now hold for the purpose of housing the whole of our assembling work in a new plant which we propose to erect. Perhaps you will tell us promptly if you hear of any land to be offered for sale, and thus give us an opportunity to investigate. We are anxious to begin work on our new plant this autumn. If we do not purchase the land within the next 2 months, there is every likelihood that we shall have to postpone operations until the spring. Any information you may obtain for us will be a very great help. Very truly yours. So this is the omission of consonants with exercise number 114. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Thanks for watching this video. Drop a like, share, subscribe the channel.